Start the machine power supply. Connect the printer Ethernet cable with your computer. The RJ4.
The other method is to download it from the Procolored official website.
First, you need to set the IP address to Regency the printer. Go to your computer control panel, click Network and Internet. Go to IPv4 address setting. Change the IP address setting to manually. Set the IP as 19.168.1 to 7.118. The IP address setting should be the same in the driver software. Copy the file in the white USB to your C disk. Extract the driver file and install it. Click Next. Reminder: if the first time you open the software, there will be garbled text. Please close the software and restart it once to solve the problem. The chain icon in the lower left corner turns green to indicate a successful connection. You can check the printer log by click bulb button on the bottom right corner.